Nature, an exquisite tapestry of life, weaves its intricate patterns through the cycles of birth and decay. From the gentle sway of trees to the majestic sweep of mountains, its beauty captivates the soul. In its serene lakes and flowing rivers, we find solace, reflecting the tranquility of our inner selves. Through the chorus of bird song and the whisper of the wind, nature sings its timeless melody, a symphony of harmony. Through mindful observation and humble reverence, we unlock the secrets of the natural world, finding wisdom, healing, and profound connection in its embrace. In the dance of seasons, nature reveals its ever-changing palette, painting landscapes with hues of vibrant greens, fiery oranges, and soft pastels. From the smallest blade of grass to the mightiest oak, each living being plays a vital role in the intricate web of existence. Nature's resilience shines through adversity, reminding us of the power of adaptation and the resilience of life itself. In its embrace, we discover our connection to the earth, nurturing our spirits and inspiring wonder with each sunrise and sunset.